Hi, Cardinals. I know we've been working on comparative endings for a long time in phonics, and this is going to be our last lesson on using ER or EST at the end of a base word to compare two things or three or more things. So I'm going to be reading you a little story today. It's called The Longest Shopping Trip. And inside this story, there are going to be lots of words that have comparative endings. You're going to hear me say bigger, longer, happier, happiest, closest, brighter, highest, biggest, thinnest, finest, nicer, thicker, and nicest. Then, after I'm done reading you this very short story, I'm going to show you the page that you're going to do on your Google slideshow. All right, in order to make ourselves a little more active for this, why don't we stand up, and every time you hear me use a word or say a word that has a comparative ending, either ER or EST, I want you to do an action. Okay, you can choose what you want that action to be. Maybe you want your action to be jumping. So every time you hear a word that has a comparative ending, you're going to jump. Or maybe you're going to put your hands up. Or maybe you're going to give an air punch. Or maybe you're going to do a jumping jack. I think for mine, I'm going to do a dance. Okay, so let's see. I'm going to read out loud to you, and when I use a word that has a comparative ending, I'm going to do a dance. And follow along right with me. My clothes don't fit, Jake cried. You are bigger, Mom said. We will go shopping. Mom parked in the closest spot at the biggest store. This store closes in 3 hours, she noted. Mom and Jake shopped for pants. These pants are nicer, Jake said, but those pants are longer, Mom added. Next, they shopped for shirts. Try that brighter shirt, Mom said. I like longer sleeves, Jake said. Then they shopped for a coat. This is the thinnest cloth, Mom said. That thicker coat makes me happier. I hope you're wiggling or dancing or jumping like me. They shopped for shoes last. Those shoes on the highest shelf are the finest, the clerk noted. We'll take them, Mom said. She gave the clerk money. Jake had only one question. Can we get snacks? He asked. Mom got them hot popcorn. It was the nicest, happiest part of Jake's day. All right, guys, good job getting active with me. Now, since you're done watching this, you're going to go over to your Google slideshow, and I want you to look at the words that are up here in the word box, and I want you to count out the syllables. If the word has 2 syllables, type it here in the purple text box. And if it has 3 syllables, type it here in the orange text box. Just remember that a syllable is how many word parts each word has. So there are usually 2 ways that I use to find word parts. One of them is just by clapping. So let me use the word longer as an example. I might clap it out like this. Longer. So that would have 2. But another way is you could take your hand and make a little shelf under your chin, say the word, and feel how many times your hand and chin go up and down. Ready? Longer. Okay, so that goes up and down 2 times. So that's just another trick that you can use to help you determine how many syllables the word has. All right, guys, we can't wait to look at your work. Have a great day.